This is my electric speed loader. It sits inside of an ammo container. It's just a prototype stage. Cardboard hopper. Threw it together in 2 hours. It consists of an ammo case, some cardboard, some tape, some hot glue, a little bit of Velcro to get this puppy mounted in place, and I glued her down. And a battery pack, which I really didn't need. I just had on hand. I'll show you the internals here. It'll light in there. So you got the battery pack, that's on the right, and then you got the mechanism. You can see the motor and the gears are everything are right over here. My finger you can barely see. So I mean, you're looking at a total of, I paid $30 for the BB loader, $10 for the ammo box. It's a tiny ammo box, not that big a deal. Holds a lot of Airsoft BBs. I think my current hopper holds right around 1,000, maybe 1,500 if I filled it up to the brim. Gonna make probably a bigger hopper. Thinking about leaving this gap open here to put BBs in. But what you guys care about is actually seeing it work. So this gets pushed down. It triggers a limit switch on the mechanism, runs the motor, starts feeding BBs. I'll show you this, and then I'll start showing you some mags. So I'll just push down, I'll start running. It's kind of noisy. Let go, it stops. So another thing I did quick is I had just bought a new gun, and it came with this foam, so that's cut it out to fit around the perimeter here, so that the BBs don't leak when I close the container. So you can kind of shake it around and it's gonna be fine. Closing this, you'll see that the nozzle is coming in and it barely catches, just a little flick and it goes. That's where the Velcro came in handy, was getting the nozzle in position. You can see it better here if I flip the handle. It does not matter if the handle's down or up. You can still load mags with it. I'll run let's see here. This is only 48 rounds. It's a mid cap. So there's that one. Do a KWA 120 round. This one takes a little bit longer. It just kind of kicks up at the end. I've heard these are kind of fragile. I think maybe people are pushing too hard on them, or maybe their mags aren't quite broken in. Here's my Mp5 Mag. I just got these yesterday. They're not broken in at all. You'll hear it struggle a little bit. Maybe the batteries are also getting pretty low, but it starts to struggle a little bit compared to my M4. That's it. Got that one. So, with the one BB I cut, I put in the cup. I'll show you. Here's the 120 round I just filled. See if I can get them in the glass without spilling them everywhere. I'll set down the camera. See what's the best way to do this. I'm so terrible at this. Yeah, it took way longer than I needed to. I just shot BBs all over my computer and the other take, and I'm trying to, prevent from doing that. Just screen everywhere. Still got them on my desk. So here's the Mp5 Mag. The curved banana is down on this guy. Here's the Angel Custom straight stick mag. This one does not hold very much at all. It's a mid cap. Looks kind of cool though. Just came with my swordfish, so it's not gonna offer much to the party. Yeah. I guess I don't think I filled this shorty, but this is one I had filled from a previous take. Whatever. Why not? Oh, one BB left in that one. But yeah, so this is the ammo box. You guys want to see how it's made? I can show a demo video. I'd say the price point, depending on what you can get the electric BB speed loader for, Probably like less than 50 bucks. I'd have to say 40, right in that price range, maybe 50 with shipping, depending on where you do your shopping. If you're able to find them. I got lucky, found one for 30 bucks, 10 bucks more than I've seen them from Hobby Asia or whatever it's called. But maybe you guys will get lucky, find them for cheap. But yeah, it's a pretty simple build. Essentially, it's just taking apart the ugly, and this is what it comes in, a gigantic, double, like triple wide M4 looking mag. And I was originally cutting the bottom, and I decided that I would just take the whole mechanism out because it's kind of self-contained, so I didn't even need to do that. Just took, it's like 7 or 8 screws out. I just glued it to the side of this box here, as you've seen at the start of the video. And it worked pretty good. So this is just a prototype, but I can show you guys. You guys can improve on it. Some of you guys got 3D printers. Should get a pretty badass hopper going. Looks like I'm about to. The cardboard and tape aren't quite holding. There's electrical tape, but it does the trick for the moment. So yeah, that's gonna go install right through there. But this is just a prototype, and I mean it works. That's what matters. But thanks for watching. Let me know. I'm sure people want to see how it's made. I'll try to get it made here in the next week or so, maybe by this weekend if we're lucky. I'm gonna have to redo the hopper anyways. I mean, probably not gonna re-glue and show how I did all that, but I can take the hopper out and you can really see what's going on in here. Thanks for watching, guys.